Good morning. This is David Fernandez, and I'm here with the Anatomy and Physiology class. And I have here with me for experiment number 3, sweat gland distribution, all my supplies, and obviously the instructions, and the timer on my computer, which I will start once I've put on all the iodine and all the patches and everything. So let's get started. I have here with me, as you can see, I have all four 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter cutouts, which is about roughly 8 little squares of the graph paper, and I have the iodine. So without further ado, let's get started with the, and I also have a tape measure. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to see if I could have this record while I'm putting this on. There we go. Too easy. So, I'm sure you'll be able to see the first couple, but the next two, you're just going to have to trust me on that one, that I've put them on. So, I have not smelled iodine since I was a child. Oh, it's been so long. Alright, so, as you can see, I'm putting on the iodine, and the instructions say to make the patch slightly larger than the 8 by 8 centimeter, than the 5 centimeter squares, and just leave it on for a minute, let it dry for a minute. So it's been about 10 seconds, so we'll just wait a minute. While I'm doing that, I'm going to be applying the second one to my thigh, because once to the palm of my hand, I still need my hand, obviously. It seems unnecessarily complicated. I will take care of that after the fact, or I'll take care of that one last. Okay. As you can see right now, I'm putting it on my anterior thigh. Letting that sit. I don't know if you can see this. Okay. We have about 15 seconds left until the first one is done. So, you know what, I'm just going to wait for this minute to pass by, and then I will put on the 2 patches. So, now it has been a minute. I'll be resetting the timer. Okay, so I'm going to take the very first patch, and I'm going to put it right on top of the part with iodine. And now, we get some tape. If you use Scotch tape, it's going to just rip out my hair. So, just normal blue tape should be just fine, I hope. Okay. Alright, so the tape is now on. I'm just pressing it nice and tight. And the timer is now on for 20 minutes for the first patch. I'm now putting the second patch onto my anterior thigh, and I'm now taping it up. Oh. Sorry about that. I have too much leg hair as it is, so it's gonna rip off something. Just understand what we go through just to get 25 points for a lab. All right. Now while we're doing this, I'm just gonna apply the iodine to the anterior foot, which is basically the top of the foot. I will show you the finished product once I apply that, and the last one to the palm of my anterior hand. Okay. The timer right now says 19 minutes flat, so I'm gonna wait about a minute until I put on the other one. Now I'm applying the iodine to the palm of my hand as well, as you can see, and to my foot. There you go. Cool. Easy peasy chicken sandwich. So I'm going to wait about a minute and 24 seconds right now, and then I will be applying the last two of these strips. One of them to my anterior foot, and the other one to the palm of my right hand. About 10 seconds left. Okay, now, it's been a minute. I'm going to apply the graph paper now to my anterior foot. Tape it up. Great. So that's been put on. And lastly but not leastly, my right palm, which this is going to be fun. I don't know how this is going to work. I'm applying it first. Then we'll put some tape on. And we will just have to go from there. I'm not sure exactly how you tape this up. This has a concave shape in the palm of your hand. Or if you just walk 20 minutes like this, but we will figure this out. Okay, so this is going to be just part one because I refuse to just make this run out for 20 full minutes. That'd be ridiculous. We have 17 minutes left on the dot, and I will make a second video and just post it up on YouTube, and that's it. I will talk to you in a second then. God willing. Take care. Oh, and Epstein didn't kill himself. All right, take care.